All right, guys. That's a little bit better, right? That's a little bit better. All right. That works, guys. Sorry about that. That was kind of a pain. I'm just filling this complaint form out here, all right? All right, guys. Here we go. I'm filling it out right here so you guys are rolling with me, okay? Officer Warren was derelict in his duty. I reported a crime of assault. He refused to take witness testimony and walked away. This was live. Another officer had to come back to finish the report. He then illegally solicited a trespass. All right, so they gave me a whole bunch of complaint forms. Yeah, that's not pretty good. When you ask for one complaint form, they give you a ton of them. Not good. So let's go turn this complaint in now. Let's go turn this complaint in. Sorry guys, I was just on the live stream before. The signal got jammed and we had to come back on. We don't have a lot of people right now, but Hawkeye Peachy. All right, thanks, man. So he'll be right down. Let's switch up the camera angle. All right, here we go. I want to keep moving around because the feed is not good here and I know it's probably going to buffer. Yeah, we just had 360 people watching. I had to restart it, and it's tough. But Officer Warren was derelict in his duty. I reported a crime of assault. He refused to take witness testimony and walked away. This was live. Another officer had to come back to finish the report. He then illegally solicited a trespass. A stamped copy? I did see Dave. Yeah, Dave was awesome. Up, here he comes. Here he comes. Now, I gave all my information in the last one, and they never called me back, so this one's going to be non-applicable. All right, Sergeant Erickson, I gave this complaint for Officer Warren because we had an issue earlier where the guy that lived at 6 Crescent Street was screaming outside of the house. So I ran outside of the house, and he started making threats. He said, I hope your father dies of cancer, the asshole. I said, what do you want to do about it? And he said, I'll kill you. I said, if you put your hands on me, I'll defend myself. I'll knock you out. So then he jumped in his car, and he spit out the window at me. It missed me. And because it missed me, and because I had a tough day yesterday, and I didn't have my phone, I let it go. But then the police knock on the door, Officer Warren and his partner, to say that now this guy's saying I spit at him. Well, there's no spit in his truck, and he has no witnesses. I, in fact, have 3 who saw him threaten me and spit at me. So he said, I said, I would like you to talk to my witnesses. So he comes back, and I said to him, I go, listen, and now because he lied, I'm going to be out in front of the house all day on the side, on the street, and I'm going to film them all day, right? So what he does is he drives up there, and he, instead of coming to speak to the witness that saw this guy assault me, he goes into the house. So I think he's maybe doing the right thing. And he comes out and he almost, I don't know what you call it, he illegally solicits trespass. But it's not a trespass notice, it's a harassment prevention, so I can't be on the proper.
Basically restraint.
Basically, right? So I can't be on the street. Now he comes back to me and hands me this. Now, it's been proven that this guy spit at me, right? He's lying and say I spit at him, but I have witnesses and video. He doesn't want to take that. He actually refuses to take her statement. It's on video, it's live, it's posted. And he walked away.
He asked her, right? She said she had nothing to say?
No, he said, do you have anything new to say? And she said, no. And then he turns around, she goes, but I'm not done. You can watch the video. And I said, she's talking to you. Nothing.
That's all in here?
It's all in there. All right? So, and moving forward, the issue is that there was no prevention order for myself or for her or the child. So if anything, if this guy...
You could have requested that through the court.
Well, she requested it through the officer.
Through the court, through a judge.
So this harassment prevention was asked for through a judge.
Okay, yeah, we don't issue that.
Okay, then if we're 3 victims and we got it on camera with witnesses, why aren't we offered that? Because they're not...
You can go down to court and get one, or...
Because sorry, go ahead.
You could apply for it.
Well, he didn't ask me if I wanted to do that, but he asked her, right? This woman before, she made a child cry on film, and then she said I blocked her in her driveway, and you know what? Video evidence backs up the fact that she's a child-abusing liar, right? And this guy hates people with cancer, but what is it? Because I have a camera and I've been a distraction for the Wakefield police before, all the opportunities, basically he made it so I couldn't film them. So I have a huge problem with that.
Are you in fear of him?
He came to the house.
Are you in fear of him?
Absolutely. I think the child is, I think the woman is.
Go down to court and apply for a restraining order.
But she didn't have to do that.
Right.
Okay.
Well, I'm asking you, if you want one, you can solicit one through the judge.
So I can't solicit it through the police like she did?
Well, we have to talk to a judge, and they have to...
Okay. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Incredible, right? So here's what's going on, guys. He's telling me, now this woman has lied on film before. She's harassed and assaulted a child. She's lied on film about doing it. The police have caught her lying. They do nothing, okay? Now, her husband does the same exact thing and actually spits at me. What do the cops do? In retaliation for my filming, I have witnesses. Now, here's the thing. He said I spit at him. I say he spit at me. Let's leave it at that. They can take his side. But I have witnesses. So they refuse to take the witnesses' statements. They refuse to take the witnesses' statements because then he would be the one in trouble. And they would rather side with a cancer-hating, life-threatening spitter and a disorderly conduct-wielding, child-abusing gutter slut just to try and silence my First Amendment right. Disgusting. Disgusting. And here's the other thing, guys. He's trying to tell me I have to go to the court to get a harassment prevention order. She didn't have to. In fact, it was the officer's idea. So, kids can get abused. Cancer can be hated and destructed. And, that's all in the name of censoring accountability for all. So, and this is why we do it. Like, people say, oh, you're filing a complaint. It's not the complaint, ultimately, because it will go nowhere, right? It's how they respond to show the true colors and what they actually do. That's why we do it. There is no due process. There's no due process. We've seen in Boston, as a result of my arrest, the respect there is for the Constitution now. The world has been destroyed. The world has been destroyed. The justice system is in shambles, and we need you. We need you. We need to stop squabbling amongst ourselves and start working together to make a difference. Remember in the beginning I said, you need to be part of the solution. I need to be part of the solution. We need to work together. Because right now, it ain't working. The system is broke. And it's one of the first times that something is broke and they're intentionally not going to fix it. Because if they fix the people's constitution and the people's justice system, then it might work. And if it works, well, it's going to make life harder for them. And God forbid we would ever want the police life to get harder. We already have to be worried about officer safety. God forbid we should have to be worried about them working a little bit more. Unacceptable. It's disgusting. So right now, I'm not even allowed to be on this street unless it's to come and go from this house. So right now, I am going to, I don't think I'm going to be going live again tonight. I want to keep you guys as updated as possible on everything that's going on. Tankzilla, we know I need security. We know the Constitution needs security. We know that the justice system needs security. Okay, Eric B., I'm going to try and sign in there, but I've just had a lot of issues. I definitely couldn't get into the accountability page. I was able to have someone else put a message out. Oh, awesome. There's Dave. Josh, I didn't realize it would be a pain for you. I'm right where we were at before, Dave. The issue is just with the after hours, with it being the weekend, that T-Mobile wouldn't be able to transfer a new number. So I don't know if with a new SIM card I can just go to the store. They told me it was $15 to replace it, and I'm happy to do it. I'm not good at this stuff, like how it works and all that stuff. And I think to activate a new SIM card, I have to activate a new plan, which was the other problem. So I'm not tech savvy. Like, I'm good with my phone and that's about it. And I hate iPhones because this phone was at 70% and now it's at 8. And we've been on for 12 minutes. Now we know how Hot Tow Truck Girl feels. Guys, she has been sick. Hold on. Let's talk to Hot Tow Truck Girl. Guys, give your. She doesn't want to be seen because she doesn't feel good. But you know what? Even when she's deathly ill and in bed all day, she's still beautiful.
Oh, I'm really not though.
Yeah, she's really not. She's right. She ain't kidding. Rebecca says hi.
Hi, Rebecca.
Jason Gaudette says get better beautiful. Canadian Free Press is asking if she's doing better. Clutch Nasty, he's one of our faves.
I love Clutch.
You love see that, Clutch? Thanks, Wyatt. See that, Clutch? Gotta say it again.
What did I say? I love you?
Yeah, I love. She loves Clutch. Clutch is Clutch. He comes in the clutch, and sometimes he nasty. Everyone's saying get better. Jose says you're still hot. Clutch says he loves you too. I'm a hero. You say no, not a hero. All right. Southpaw. Every time Southpaw comes in, he's talking about fapping something. I don't know. Like at first I was like, ew, gross, and now I'm just starting to get used to it, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
What's fapping?
What's fapping? Well, I'm not gonna talk about it.
What's that?
It's enough to get me demonetized.
I'm looking it up.
Fresh people. Fresh people. When am I gonna marry her? What do you mean? Friends don't marry. Actually, I did. I gave her a Scotch tape ring and she got rid of it.
Oh my god!
Oh, that's the reaction to what fapping is.
Oh my god.
That's the reaction. All right. Put the girl back on. Well, I'm nothing if for the people. Hey, Hip Hop Sushi, we have to talk, man. Hey, Hip Hop Sushi, I'm actually able to get into my Facebook Messenger. Go to my Facebook. It's Joshua Abrams, and there's a picture of like sunglasses on my forehead. Go ahead, go to that Facebook. Go to that Facebook, send a request, and send a message, and I'll be able to respond to it. I really like what you're doing. I love your channel, and before I got arrested, I spent a couple hours, checking up on your videos and some of the huge things that you've done. And people should really check out Hip Hop Sushi. He's doing some amazing things, and if you think that I can get a message across, you really have to check him out. All right, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. Oh yeah, that would be great. That would be great, David. I'm just, I get the phone and they activate it, and I'm really just not good with any of the other parts of it. And David as well, send me a Facebook message. I'll be where I was, but I have I'll send you the phone number I'm using right now, or Hot Tow Truck Girls. Cancun, I wouldn't mind. I'll take any help I can get with anything, whether it's advice, whether it's, just not with fapping. Okay, can we go back to that? Let's just play that again. Hot Tow Truck Girl's having a blast right now. Quick, before the live stream dies. Quick.
What?
Quick, run it back, turn the volume up.
Hold on.
Okay, okay, yeah, I'm talking about Southpaw said fapping, and this is what she looks up.
Pleasuring yourself is common with over 50% of women and 70% of men.
I wanted to see what it
masturbating on a monthly
meant.
basis. But what would happen if you just completely stopped masturbating forever?
All right, I really wasn't too sure. I had an idea what the word meant. So, Southpaw, just take, just not on auditing. You don't need to audit yourself, if you know what I mean. Oh, I can Trump. Awesome, so I'm going to have to figure that out.
How come I've never heard that slang?
All right, cool. So I can just do that myself. And obviously I want to do a factory reset because right now I can't get into my Google account, but that's happened before. And if I've got a new phone, it's always it's never been an issue about signing in. Yeah, no money for this video. You're right, Hawkeye Patriot News. So that's going to be a huge help. Let's see where I am at battery-wise, guys. I don't want it to die at 1%. I'm signing off, guys. That's the reason I stopped you today, and I'll see David Diaz soon. Thanks, everybody. And we'll talk out, Manny. Facebook me.